Hello everybody. Today we'll be talking about how we can front end AWS API Gateway and AWS Lambda function by Big IP at the front end, right? So basically, Big IP can be used to load balance between the Lambda functions or between the API gateways. And in this design, actually, I have nginx container which are getting spin whenever you have a traffic coming in from the big IP, right? So basically, when the traffic comes in the API gateway, when it hits the API gateway, it will trigger the AWS Lambda function, and which will in turn deploy these containers, right? So this is the architecture, and I'm using Terraform Cloud to deploy this infrastructure. So the Terraform Cloud will uses actually no code. So basically, I've built a module. This is the module. So you just need to click. So basically, with one click, you can pretty much deploy the whole infrastructure. So Big IP is used. Big IP, basically, the Terraform Cloud will also configure the Big IP with AS3. So it will also upload all the packages, like whether it is your service discovery package, your AS3 RPM, as well as fast template. All that will be configured automatically. And it will also provision the virtual server and the pool members. So in this case, the pool members will be the API gateway, right? And it will use FQDN Service Discovery, AS3 FQDN Service Discovery to discover the API gateways. So that's the architecture, right? So now in order to use this, typically you just go to Terraform Cloud. You need to have this module downloaded or provisioned. So which is a no code module. So now what I typically do is actually go to the provision workspace, and you can give any prefix. So let's say I'm giving SCS lambda as a prefix, for example, right? And so this prefix is used because if you have multiple people using this module, they are in the same VPC. In that case, you need a different prefix, right? Also, you can Terraform Cloud uses workspace, so I can give the same workspace name, and pretty much that's pretty much it needs, right? So I just do this. Okay, so this name is already taken. So let me give some other name. Let's say I can give dev2 as a workspace name. So here you can see that now it has taken that, and pretty much it will, if I go here to see what is happening, so you can see that it is doing Terraform plan, and it is executing the Terraform plan, as well as it will do apply eventually to manifest all these resources, right? So here you can see that it is using a cloud formation template to deploy the API gateway as well as the Lambda function, and then it is creating a VPC, as well as like deploying the VPCs, the service security groups, as well as Big IP itself, right? And once it does it, it will apply those do Terraform apply, and it will manifest all the configuration. So let me pause a little bit so that it does it. It takes around 8 to 10 minutes to get everything ready and stable. So looks like we have already deployed this, and if you see, like, we have almost 30 resources spin up, right? Now if I go to overview, you can see that we have now you want to access the nginx container, you can use this CLI, API gateway, and all those things are already displayed. So I can go here and let me do I can go to the backend now, right? So you can see that my backend is responding back. This is the GitHub where the module is located. So you can try it out, right? And let's go back to the module. So now let's see like what all we have on the big IP, right? So let me copy this password and I can go ahead and access the big IP. This is my big IP management. So let's go and log in and see. I'm going to log into big IP and you can see that we can go ahead and look at the virtual server now. Here you can see that I have this virtual server already configured automatically. And if I go to pools, FQDN pool, you will see that I have the members listed as the API gateway, right? So whenever the API gateways are, let's say one of the API gateway goes down, the other one comes up. It can be, like service discovery, FQDN service discovery will discover these API gateways automatically. Thanks a lot for watching. And if you want to try it, you can go to this GitHub page and use it with Terraform Cloud, or you can even also use no code option as well, or with code option as well. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.